Alright, so I decided with my design team project, I'm going to be remaking this frame. It was kind of old and I like the frame itself, I just didn't like the inside, so it was kind of one-dimensional. So I decided I'm gonna add a few things to it. So I printed off the sparrows off of Artsystamper. Sorry, I'm a little off. I have a sinus infection. You know, something you'd get when there is an extremely bad cold going around. A sinus infection, of all things. So I decided this grass wallpaper would be cool as a background. Just add some well-needed looks to this. So I'm going to glue this down first. Again, we needed a background for this, for sure. Oh my goodness, there we go. There. We don't have to worry about these corners. They're going to be chopped off by something else eventually here. All right. This is why I kind of keep the frame with me, so we can see what's all gonna be shown and everything else. I really like that, even though it doesn't show off all the letters. I think that looks pretty, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And I printed this on coffee dyed paper, so it adds an extra element to it. And I'm kind of playing the old guessing game on how this is going to completely turn out. But that's okay. I think sometimes it's better to have the ideas that just pop in your head than anything. Yeah. Alright. Now I think I'm gonna stick some lace or something like it for underneath. Maybe this. No. I don't like that one. Alright. I know what I want to add. My handy dandy jar of stuff here. Yeah, I kind of like that. Just something small. It's kind of like one of them, my luck, when there's a virus going around and everything. I'm the one to get a sinus infection. We gotta fussy cut this. I'm not necessarily the best fussy cutter in the world, but that's okay. I don't think I need to be the best at this. That means we'll have a chance to add some ink to it. And I think this ink adds a bit of a vintagey feel to this that I didn't have before. It looked like it came right out of my printer. Get some of that white to go away. Alright. I think I would have liked it a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And I'm just fussy cutting this because what's going to happen next is, where did I stick that? Oh, just couldn't see it. And I was thinking about adding this to it. Now I'm thinking no. That is way too big. Alright. Well, I like how this looks. Way better than the original. So let's glue that down. Sometimes less is more. Right? And I think this is something I'd probably sell in flea market over selling it on the internet, just because that's how I feel at the moment, but I could be wrong. Yeah. It's really hard when you know you have to be very careful with the piece of glass. So, I really like this idea. I kind of want to add something here, but I don't know. Maybe if we just do quick. I know it's just ink, distress ink, but sometimes that's all it needs is a little distressing. To add some dimension to it. I don't know. I think I've got to take my regular pad to actually do this. Add just some distressing to this rather than it. Yeah. Yeah, because that adds some dimension. It really does. It adds dimension to it. Let it dry that way. So, this is what it looks as a final product. I will be taking a picture of it with my camera here to make sure it's ready to go for Facebook and everything. But I love these digitals. I couldn't figure out what I was going to do with this frame for about 6 months now. It's been just sitting around. I'm just happy to finally find a use for it. Alright, have a good day. Bye.